Hi everybody, I'm here in my craft room working on some Christmas gifts and items that will be attractive at a craft fair. And I have come up with these pails. I love these pails. Have a little handle, and I like how the tops just pop off. Yeah, they're nice and festive. You can slip them in a bag, or you can, give them as a cute gift to a neighbor or what have you. I picked these up at the at-home store. Yep, the at-home store, and they were $4.99. I know that seems a bit high, but it's cute and it's an eye catcher as people walk by your table. That's one of the things that I plan to feature, and I'm gonna have them set up like so. I've already put two together. I'm actually gonna use these for my dryer ball concepts. I caught some dryer balls on sale, and then I made some here are my dryer balls, and then I made some dryer ball spray out of essential oils, vanilla and peppermint. And this year has been about me, so most of my products are going to have some type of reference to me, myself, my season. And so here is a nice peppermint and vanilla dryer ball scent, and I call it "'Tis My Season." So I don't know if most of you know how to use dryer balls. I didn't until, I don't know, I must have been looking at something on YouTube, and I found out that dryer balls have really come in handy. These are wool dryer balls. They're hypoallergenic and eco-friendly. You get 3 in the pack. I do like the drawstring bag because I can, after I'm done with them, I can put them in there and then I can hang them up in my laundry room. Or I can just leave them on the dryer so that when I need them, I have it right there. So you just take your spray, pop the top off, and you take one of your dryer balls and you just spray. Okay, you just spray it. Okay, and when you spray it, you pop it into the dryer. Dryer balls are good to help get rid of static cling. They also tend to dry your load a little faster, which in turn helps save pennies on the dollar. And you get a nice natural smell that is "'Tis My Season." And I really, really like this smell, this combination of the vanilla and the peppermint oil for my dryer balls. I call it my dryer ball spray. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. So tonight I'm going to show you how I have assembled my gift pails. I just used some shred that I have. Pop this open. Don't forget to take the tag off of the bottom. Okay, took the tag off. That over to the side. And I'm just going to take some shred and add it to the bottom here. Okay, then I find it helpful to take the ball out of the bag, place them in the bottom, place 2 in there first. We have a third one that we need to get in there, and the spray. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is my first DIY Christmas gift for my craft fair video that I have done. I've been watching people do them for a long time now. Then I take my dryer ball spray and I just add it to the pail. I think I put this last one in after I put my spray in. And you want to make sure it goes under that lip as far as possible. And then you add in your third ball to the pail. And I like to add my ribbon to the back. And there is a little lip here. And I just like to put it there. And there we are. There you are. Everybody's looking for a gift. And here is the gift. I would personally turn my ball out, my spray to face the outside like such. Okay. There you go. And there it is. Cute little gift for a neighbor, for a coworker. Everyone wants to save a little bit of money, and these dryer balls will help you do that, as well as cut down on static cling. I do have 2 other fragrances that I've come up with, Dreamy and Fresh. It really, they all smell good, but it just depends on your preference. And then I have one for my men. I call it the black tie. This is a whole black tie collection where I've got the body butter. I've got a all over body spray for men, but this is really light and it smells pretty manly. And I figured the men sometimes will use it, won't use it. You know how they do. But it's the thought that counts. So thank you guys for watching. You probably are asking, well, what do you do with the wool dryer ball bag? I'll show you. I have included it in, yep, here it is. It's in the black tie pail. And I'll show you how to do that. It's just a quick fold, but it does help to fill up some space in the pail. So I just take the bag and I fold it neatly. Okay, like so. And then I'll put it in to hold some of that space. Okay, it's on the back of the pail. And then I'll go ahead and slide in that third ball. Yeah, it's a nice snug fit, but guys, it's a cute, thoughtful, and cheap, economical gift for a friend, a neighbor, or a family member. Yeah, I love it. So guys, thank you for watching this quick tutorial. I hope that you find these pails at home. If your store is like mine, you better get it when you see it, because it may not be there when you come back. So guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate your time. I hope this is something you can use to share with your friends and family. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Have a good night.